I walked up and down the beach where I was living and working at the film school in Qingdao, and one particular day it had really stormed, and they have sea huts where the fishermen leave all their belongings. And this particular day the sea completely drowned her out and she was flooded and she stood on her little wonky legs. I filmed with an animation app and so it has a strange quality to it. A year later, when I was editing the film The Sea Hut, I remembered, I have that image, I'm going to use it. So this is what it was and this is what it became in the film. That's why no matter what we film or when, we can always reuse it, recycle it. Yeah, recycling film, I love it.
暴风雨越过大海，从遥远的日本越过大海而来。周围人说，接下来的一周都会有暴风雨。我有些害怕，但我必须显得勇敢。那儿有许多穷人，他们把好的雨给我们吃。